Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and get this set up quick. I pulled the cone off. I'm just going to make sure that my contact tip is clean. I'm going to cut it back, put just a little bit of nozzle dip so that we keep the slag off. And I can go ahead and wipe off the excess from the wire. Make sure that the cone is nice and clean. And we can also put a little nozzle dip right on the end of that. Okay. We'll check our settings on the machine. On this particular machine, 4 and 40 are the settings that I'm using for the .035 wire and the gas that I have. Our gas is set at 20 CFH. Okay. I'm left-handed here. So I'm going to hold it in my left hand. I'm going to make a bridge with my right hand. I'm going to get my head out in front so that I can see underneath the cone as I'm welding. This is going to be about the angle that we're going to have. Okay. So we'll drop our helmet and pull the trigger. Okay. Now if you were watching, I did some small circles, I did some zigzag, and I went to a little bit of an arc as I went through. It does not matter really which method that you use. Okay. The whole key is the angle, the settings on the machine, and how close you have the torch to the metal. Okay. So, one thing I didn't mention before, when you're setting up for gas operated, we put it so that the contact tip to the nozzle, the contact tip should be set just inside the nozzle by about approximately an 1/8 inch. Okay? So I want to keep it good and close. I want to be approximately a 1/4 inch off the metal, no more than that. If I get too far away, I'm going to have a lot of spattering. Alright. We'll go ahead and drop our helmet. Here we go. One more here. Okay, 1/4 inch. Get my angle. I'll get it set. So I got my bridge. Go ahead and drop our helmet, and we can go ahead and start. Watch for the motion that I'm doing. Here we go. Kind of changed it up a little bit as I was going, keeping the gun good and close.